Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to Redesign 16. So this is where I post about beauty, fashion, and lifestyle every single week. Before we get started on this unboxing clothing and makeup haul, please like this video and please hit the subscribe button. So let's jump right into it. Hey everyone, so I wanted to hop on and do a little unboxing haul. I got a couple things in the mail yesterday, and I know that the mail everywhere has been slow because of things. And yeah, the first thing I'm going to show you is some Target that I got. Comes in a bag like this. And I'm just gonna rip it open. And I ordered this like weeks ago, and it just came. So, opening it. Right. And it's like a peachy orange sweater. It's from the brand Universal Thread, and they didn't have it in the store where I was. It's an extra small, and it was $20, and you can totally see. So I will hold that thought. Okay, I wanted to go off camera and take a picture of how it was like this. So I thought I ordered a small, but the extra small will fit me. Really hard to get out. Here it is. I didn't think it would look like. Oh my gosh. I think this might be small, but it has that like material of like I don't know what you call it, like a feather, not a feather, but if you guys know what this material is like, it comes on like rugs and stuff, on pillows, and I always like it, but this might be a little small now that I think about it. But I thought it would be really cute for like spring and summer on cold nights. So, and it was only $20. So that's that. And then I got my hand on a new product from Synergens. It comes in a collection. So there are 4 new like mid-size lipsenses, and the collection is called the Ultra Intense, I think that's what it's called, and it comes with 4 mid-size lipsenses, and I got my hands on one of them. And they also have, instead of using glossy gloss, if you know what lipsense is, you have to top it with gloss, but they have a new satin matte gloss that you can just top it with. But a lot of people use the gloss first, then blot it up and use the satin matte gloss over top. I have never tried the matte gloss before that they had, so this is all new to me. So this was might have to talk down the scissors. I'm not sure. I love ordering from my friends because they put extra stuff in that I don't know about. So hopefully, there we go. It's in here. So, it just says thank you, and then a little note to me. I love this bubble wrap. Who doesn't, right? Oh my gosh. Whoops. So I got a free sample, a scrunchie that has strawberries on it, which is super cute. I have my hair in a ponytail, but I'm gonna do my hair. I don't know. This is a gloss. It's a sample. And I love these little bags that Synergens has because they are very handy for traveling. So this is what the extra lipsense looks like, and it's very popular. I will put a link down below so that you can shop my very own link. And if you spend $100, when you go to checkout, right before you check out, there is a button that you click, preferred customer, and that will get you 10% off all your purchases through Synergens site. So let's say Synergens was having a sale on lipsense for 15% off. If you click that little button, you will get an extra 10% off that somebody else who doesn't use my code would get. So if you spend $100, you get free shipping and free samples and your product. And also, if you spend $150, you get free samples, your products, and a free gift. We don't know what that is, but if you're wanting to support me and my page, that's the way to do it. So, and you can also follow me on Instagram. There's a link in my about page. It's at redesign16. You can follow me there, message me there. This is the most amazing makeup I have ever used, and the lipsense lasts for from 4 to 18 hours. You don't have to keep reapplying it, which is an amazing deal. And I'm definitely gonna do a tutorial on this. That's why I have nothing on my lips. So I will insert pictures of everything I got. Maybe there's something more in here. Just my friend's card. And my friend said, "You're going to love the new shade. Hope you love them." And then just candy, heart candies. So I'm so excited because I don't know, I just get excited about things that I get because I also get things I don't know I'm getting. So yeah, but please like this video and please hit the subscribe button and ring the bell before you leave so that you will be notified every time I post a new video. First come, first serve. Thanks for watching.